Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Excuse the fact that I've got no eyeshadow on. I'm doing our monthly collaboration that I do with the ladies. There's 8 of us in the group, but I'm going to be doing a little haul first. So, my third and final Colourpop haul has come in. So yeah, I just want to show you what I've got. It's only 3 palettes, so yeah, let me cover my name up. Now this one's got me a little bit worried because the box has come a little bit mangled, but if Colourpop has wrapped it up like the previous ones that have come out, it should still be okay. So again, yeah, it looks fairly decently wrapped. Okay, so my invoice, which we don't need to see, okay. So sorry we're late, XOXO Colourpop. So I'm glad that they've registered that. I was waiting a little while. It was still only 2.5 weeks. And this is a nice card, I like it. So there's that. And then we've got another thanks a latte. So hang on a minute. Right, there's a Super Shock in here and I've not ordered it. It's really nice. I didn't order that though. It's called Chase the Light and it's one of their tie-dye collections. I hope they haven't billed me for it. No, just the three palettes that I've ordered. Maybe it's like a kind of goodwill gesture, because the first Colourpop order, that's when I was waiting the longest. I would have thought this would have come in that little bundle I got. But maybe this is for the overall waiting time, I don't know. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. So that's what it looks like. It's in the same packaging as the other one, the other Colourpop one that I got. Ooh, it's that new packaging that they do. I've not got any like that. I don't even think my other one came like that. Let me just have a look. Right, so this is my other one. And this one is in the shade Moon Daisy. I have worn this in a video. You will have seen that by the time this video goes up. No, this one doesn't say it. It's just in the older packaging this. This just says Colourpop here. Whereas the tie-dye one, I'm really impressed with it, guys. Small things make me happy. The tie-dye one says Colourpop all the way around. Let's do a little swatchy. I mean, look how nice that is. Ooh. My colour for sure, isn't it? It's like a peachy golden shade. I wouldn't say it's overly pigmented, that's one swatch. But very buildable, that is lovely. Okay, so let's get on with why you're here. So let me put that back in its little box because I want to keep those little boxes. I don't know how many Colourpop Super Shocks I've got now, but I've got 2 new ones. And they both come in this purple packaging, which I really like. Okay, so the first palette I can see on top is... This came as a bundle, by the way. So we've got Flutterby. Please don't let it be broken. And I will do swatches of these. I mean, how could I not get this packaging? So it's kind of a mauve toned eyeshadow palette, and I have got a couple of mauve toned eyeshadow palettes, but I was talking to my friend Naomi over at Beauty Dreams by Naomi, and what palette did I get that was quite similar? There's a palette that I got that was quite similar. Let's have a look. Oh, it was the Making Mauves, the one that I ordered from Beauty Boxes by Tammy. You will have seen this by now. So yeah, this is full of mauves. And I just thought, well, do I really need the Flutterby palette? Because this is absolutely full of mauve toned eyeshadows. And how many do I need? I've also got the Lottie London. I've got the W7 Socialite. I've got the Revolution Forever Flawless Allure. They're all mauve toned eyeshadow palettes. So I thought, do I really need it? But, I mean, let me get it. The packaging sells it to me every single time I look at it. It's absolutely beautiful. Yeah, everything's okay in it. What I don't like is it hasn't come with a plastic sheet, so this is what it looks like. I wouldn't say the Flutterby is similar to the Making Mauves. I'm just going to pop them together. The Making Mauves is a little bit darker in my mind. I've not even used this yet. I've had it weeks at this point. So these would be really good companion palettes. What do you think, guys? You know, the Making Mauves is a lot deeper, I think. But yeah, I think they'd work extremely well together. Let me know your thoughts down below. And let me know what you think of these palettes. Let me know. And let me know what you think of both those palettes if you've got them. Or if you've just got this Flutterby one, let me know your thoughts. It's going to get to a very long time before I've used all of these Colourpop ones. I'm sure I've got about 22 now in the collection, which is a lot to go from like 0 to 22. I mean, I did have a few. I bought a couple last year, but I really started collecting my Colourpop collection this year, and I've really gone mad in that 30% sale. So the second part of the bundle is this one, which is slightly bigger, and somebody said that this was an ultra exclusive and that the formula isn't that great. Well, I'm hoping it is. So this one comes with 16 eyeshadows, so it's a slightly larger palette. Is there any more palettes than this that come with 16 eyeshadows? If there is, can you let me know down in the comments, because I didn't see any. And I just thought I would grab this. This looks stunning, does it not? This shade here, Mr. Sandman, is in the It's My Pleasure palette. So I'm glad I've got it, because I couldn't get hold of the It's My Pleasure on the Colourpop website. I was thinking about ordering it from Beauty Boxes by Tammy this month, but I'm going to leave it. It's cheaper for me to place an order with Colourpop and just get what I want from them, and I'll probably do that in the Black Friday sale. I've spoken about that before, so yeah, that's really pretty. And this Hungry Ghost is also a repeat as well. That's in the Baby Got Peach, if I'm not mistaken, but everything else I don't have, I don't think. But yeah, it's a really beautiful eyeshadow palette. The only shades that I don't think I'll use that much is Jackpot, this one here, Pretty Cruel, that one there, Poodle, that one there. It's just because they're really dark and I don't go in for all those dark shades. But everything else, yeah, I'm really being drawn to this palette, and I'm loving that it says Truly Madly Deeply. So did this come out for Valentine's Day then or something? It's giving me Valentine's Day vibes. And next year when it's Valentine's Day, I'll probably use it. So yeah, we're going to be doing swatches on that. And then the one that I'm excited for the most out of all of these, that I didn't even think I'd pick up, so it's this one. This one is my first bigger palette from Colourpop. So this one, is it 30 eyeshadows you get? I'm sure it is. It's about that. And this one is their Fade into Hue. Now, I'm in a Colourpop group and I wasn't going to get it, and everyone was posting these really beautiful pictures, and I'm thinking, that's a beautiful palette. These looks that these girls are coming up with are just truly stunning. So I asked if it was worth the money. I think it's about $34, isn't it? Something like that. I can't remember the exact price off the top of my head. Yeah, I can't remember the correct price off the top of my head, but I'm sure it's around $30. And this one does come with a plastic insert, but this, guys, it makes my heart happy. Look at it. It is so pretty. I mean, how can you not like this palette? If you're into rainbow eyeshadow palettes, which I am, and I just don't have that many bright eyeshadow palettes, you're gonna love it. Apparently it's worth the money. What I like about this palette is it reminds me of the 9 pans. Obviously you're not getting 9 eyeshadows down each column, but it really does remind me of the colour stories. Like this one here, this yellow one, reminds me of the Her Honey. Then this one reminds me, this purple row reminds me of a mixture of the Lilac You a lot, and it's my pleasure. I just get the vibes of the £9 palettes, and that's what I really like, because I don't have the You La La, which is pink, isn't it? And I don't have the Orange You Glad, which I thought about getting, but I don't really wear too many orange eyeshadows. Now, if I really like this column, then I will definitely get it in the future. But for now, guys, it's like I said, I probably won't order anything until Black Friday. I'll probably be using these palettes until Black Friday anyway. After all, we're nearly in July. This palette is going to be a stunning palette for the summer. So yeah, I mean, I don't know what I'm going to use first. It will probably be this one, if I'm being completely honest, just to get the lay of the land with it and just to see how pigmented it is. But yeah, I'm really happy with the orders. None of them came broken, and I got an extra Super Shock, so it was worth the wait. So yeah, this concludes the video, guys. Let me know what your favourite palette is out of the 3 hauls that I've done. Let me know what you've got in your collection. If you do a YouTube channel and I've not checked you out, leave me a comment down below. Or you can go over to my Instagram. It's at beautywithandy__. But yeah, this concludes the video. Thank you so much for watching today. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. It means the absolute world to me. If you're not already subscribed, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. I'm currently working on a giveaway at the moment, and I would love for you to be a part of it. Please like, it really does help out the channel. Share and comment, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.